Good evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay and safe. In this video guys, I'm gonna do the forecasting of next week. What I am thinking about those currency pairs, what's gonna happen with those pairs for upcoming week. Guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. Let's start our trading analysis. So let's start with AUDJPY. As you can see, that's the AUDJPY daily chart. So let me zoom in. Yeah, as here you can see, it's already touched one of my key daily resistance level. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew about that. We place this trade, we sell this pair, and we already booked some of the good profit, and we have still running some trades. So guys, if I'm just gonna tell you right now, I'm just gonna analysis those pairs. These are not the signal. If you need signals, there is a link in the description, so you can join my Telegram channel and you will get signal from there, or you can join us on Facebook or Instagram. We posted daily free signals over there as well, or you can contact me on Telegram, on Facebook or Instagram as well. If you have any kind of question regarding any pair, you can mention in the comment, so I will try my best to answer you. So as you can see, this is the daily chart of AUDJPY. It's already touched two of our key resistance level. That's my daily resistance level and that's my weekly resistance level. So as soon as it's touched it and it start falling, and we got good profit from that. So what I'm expecting from AUDJPY, it will fall a lot, at least to my this support level. As you can see, the trend tracker also showing the trend is down and is strongly down. So what I'm expecting from AUDJPY, it will go down and it will go down a lot. So if you have any question regarding AUDJPY, please mention in the comments, so I will try my best to answer you, to answer your question. So let's move to our next pair, that is AUDUSD. Let me zoom in that pair as well. Same with this pair, as you can see, it's touched one of our key resistance level and it start falling. So what I'm expecting this pair to go down at least this support level. If it break that is 0.6276. The next target of AUD USD will be 0.61, but as I told you, that's not gonna happen in one day. It will take time. On the other hand, if AUD USD break our this resistance level or this monthly resistance level, which is 0.6735, the next target of Australian USD is 7.0, which I am not expecting is gonna done for upcoming week. It will take time, but what I am expecting from Australian USD, it will go down. Let's move to our next pair, AUD. Before I move to our next pair, if you have any question about AUD USD, please mention in the comments. I will love to answer you guys. AUD chart right now, AUD chart, let me zoom in, is moving a bit sideways. As you can see, this is touch our one of key resistance level. That's our W1 resistance. That's my weekly resistance level, and after touching that level, and that's my daily resistance level, after touching that level, it will start falling. So right now we can't place any trade. The reason behind is the AUD CHF is in between, as you can see. So I'm expecting it will move in this channel. If it break this support level, then the next target will be 0.58. But on the other hand, so right now, as you can see, is in between, so we can't do any kind of trade like that. So we have to wait. It will come down, it will come up at least this level, so then we're gonna sell, or it will come down to this level. We have to see the price action on that time. So how that price action on that time, when it reaches to that level, then we will see. If that break this support level, the next target is down. As you can see right now, trend tracker also shows the trend is down and it's down a lot. So let's move to our next pair, that is AUD NZD, and this is the best time to sell Australian New Zealand, because let me zoom out. As you can see, it's broke our all the resistance level. That was one of our daily resistance level is already broken. So market is gonna close in next 30 minutes. So I will see when it will come, when it will open to the Monday. So I will see what was the price action. But for now, I'm interested to sell AUD NZD, and it will go down a lot. As I told you in my previous video as well, AUD NZD, Euro NZD, GBP NZD, I'm expecting it will go down a lot, but it will take time. So we can easily earn easily 400, 500 to 1500, 2000 pips from those trades, but we have to wait, we have to hold those pairs for long term. If you have any question about AUD New Zealand, please mention in the comments, so I will love to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, that is AUD CAD. As you know, in my previous video I showed you and I told you guys, AUD CAD is on our key resistance level. The guys who are in my paid group or who are getting signals from me, I think I post this signal on my Insta and Facebook as well. So we sell AUD CAD from 0.9110, and the high on that day is 0.9130. Now it's already hit our one or two targets. So what I'm expecting, little bit correction from here, AUD CAD again, and it will go down. And I'm expecting Australian CAD to go down, and it will go down a lot. So if you have any question regarding this pair, please mention in the comments. I will love to answer you guys. Let's switch. That's it for our AUD pairs. Let's move to our Euro pairs, for what Euro pairs are saying for the upcoming week. This is the chart of the EURUSD, and that's the daily chart. As you can see here, guys, it's touched our this support level but didn't break it, because if it break it here, the next target will be on long term time frame. I'm expecting EURUSD to go at least 1.20, but still it's not gonna happen in one day, it will take time. So what I'm expecting, as you can see, it's already touched one of our this support level and it start going up. So what I'm expecting, it will come down again this level or this level, then I'm gonna buy and I will hold it for long term. So I'm expecting EURUSD to go up, and it will go up a lot. So let's move to our next pair, that is EURUSD. As I told you in my previous video, and I gave this signal as well, we bought it EURUSD from 1.079, and our two target was, our first target was 1.84, and our second target is 1.89. That was one of my this support level. It didn't break it. If EURUSD break this support, the next target of the EURUSD was 1.11, but that's not happened, so it will come down again. So what I'm expecting from upcoming week, this kind of moment, and then I'm gonna buy, and I'm expecting EURUSD to go up, and it will go up a lot. At least 1.13 level. From this place to that place is about 500 to 600 pips trade. Let's move to our next pair, Euro GBP. As I told you in my previous video, the Euro GBP was moving sideways. As you can see here, that's moving a bit sideways, but it's already break one of our daily resistance level. So what I will see next week, if it will go up at least this level, so I'm gonna sell, or if it will come down and if it will do movement like that, so I will wait for cross out, and I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. From upcoming week, what I'm expecting from all GBP pairs, it will go up. So I'm expecting GBP pairs to go up. So what I am expecting from Euro GBP, it will go down. So same with the Euro AUD, right now is in between. So it came to that level, one of our daily support, we bought it, and but that trade I didn't hold it for a long time, so I took about 60 to 70 pips from that and leave it, because on long term time period I'm expecting Euro AUD to go down, and it will go down a lot. But for now time being, what I'm expecting from Euro AUD, at least go up on this level, and then I'm gonna sell again. So for next upcoming week, I'm expecting Euro AUD a little bit go up and then it will be down. Euro CHF, that's one of my favorite pair nowadays because it's not moving a lot, but right now Euro CHF is on lifetime low price. As you can see, it's come all the way from here to here. So I'm just waiting for the upward movement, and I have a strong feeling now it's gonna go up and it will go up a lot. So when the market open next week, I am definitely gonna buy. And guys, I will recommend you guys as well to buy this pair, but please don't sell this pair because it's already low and it's low. So if you have any type of question regarding this pair or any pair, please mention in the comments. I will love to answer you guys, and I will try my best to answer each and every person. Let's move to Euro NZD. As you can see, Euro NZD is already broke one of our key resistance level. So what I'm expecting Euro NZD to come up at least this level, and that is 1.83 or 84, this level. Then I'm gonna sell because on the long term time frame I am expecting Euro NZD to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, that is Euro CAD. As you can see, let me zoom in. Euro CAD is running in between. So as you can see with the moving average, this pair is moving a bit sideways. So whenever market moves sideways, so I will not trade. So we have done with our Euro pairs. Let's move to our GBP pair. We have a bit bad week in some of the GBP pairs. So yeah, this is GBPJPY. As you can see, it's already hit one of our this support level, and I gave this signal in my group to my members. So we already hit stop loss from this signal, but still, let me zoom out. What I'm expecting from GBPJPY, as this is broke this support level, the next target is this, our monthly support level is this 1.2950. So when it will come from that level, I'm gonna buy and hold it for long time, because from GBPJPY I'm expecting it will go up, and it will go up a lot. So if you bought it from that place, you can easily earn 1500 to 2000 pips, but you have to keep patient to take these amount of pips. So what I'm expecting from GBPJPY, it will go up, and it will go up a lot. If you have any type of question regarding to GBPJPY, please mention in the comment. I will love to answer it. Same with the GBPUSD, is already broke my monthly support level. So when the market will open Sunday night or Monday morning, so I will see the price action, because from now I'm expecting GBPUSD to go up. But if it will go down, the next target of GBPUSD is 1.67, and I'm not thinking that's gonna happen. So I'm expecting GBPUSD to go up at least my monthly resistance, which is 1.32. From here it's about 1000 pips, or one of our daily key resistance level. As you can see, why I'm saying is key resistance level, as you can see, is touched here and it will go down, touch here and it will go down the next. Now you have to go up at least this level, or again this level. So what I'm expecting from GBPUSD from upcoming week, it will definitely go up. But guys, please, I'm just telling you, that's my analysis, that's my thinking about those pairs. I'm not the one who's running the market. So if you need proper entries, you have to join us, and you will get the proper entry with stop loss and take profits. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBPNZD. The guys who watched my previous video, I told you I'm expecting GBPNZD to go down, and as you can see, it will come down from this level and touch our key support level, and we bought it from here, and we already exit from this position. So that we earn about 200 and 200 pips from that trade. So what I'm expecting is already broke this our key resistance level, so I'm expecting this kind of movement, little bit up, then it's gonna be down. From long term time period, I'm expecting GBP and ZD to go down, and it will go down a lot. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP-CHF. It's already broken one of our support levels, so from this pair we can also get easily earn about 1000 pips, but it will take time. So what right now trend is down, and it's strongly down, so I'm expecting this pair to go up, but next week I have to see the price action. If GBP CHF is not start going up, the next target of GBP CHF is 1.14, and I was not expecting that's gonna happen next week. So I'm expecting GBP CHF to go up at least from here. Right now is on 1.1776, so it will easily go up at least 1.25, so we can earn 600 to 800 pips from that pair. If you have any kind of question regarding this pair, please mention in the comments, so I will happy to answer you guys. GBP CAD, as I told you in my previous video, I'm expecting GBP CAD to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. So right now, as you can see, it's in between, so there is no trade for GBP CAD, so I am not gonna do anything with GBP CAD for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, and key pair, that is gold. As you can see guys, gold already break our this two resistance level, and as you can see here, it's touch our this resistance level and it will fall. So now again it's touch this level, and now it start going down. So I'm expecting gold to go down at least 1700 or 1685, but if the gold breaks 1760 level, I have to check the price action on that stage. The next target of the gold will be 1800, but for time being, for upcoming week, I'm expecting gold to come down at least this level, and then it's gonna be up. So for upcoming week, I'm expecting gold to go down. If you have any type of question regarding gold, please mention in the comments. I will love to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is USDJPY. I am just waiting to break this excuse me, this resistance level. The day's break, I'm expecting the next target of USDJPY is 111.50. Yeah, you heard it right. Just waiting for this breakout. If it will come down from here, at least this level, then I'm gonna buy and it will go up. So what I'm expecting from USDJPY, it will go up. NZDUSD, as you can see, is already break two of our support levels. I have to see the price action. What I'm expecting from NZDUSD to go up, but if it will keep following, the next target of the NZD is 0.5670, which I don't think is gonna happen. So what I'm expecting from NZDUSD, it will go up. Please keep in mind, if NZDUSD will go up, GBP NZD, Euro NZD, which I told you before, it will go down. So my expectation, and according to my analysis, I'm expecting NZD USD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZDJPY. Right now NZDJPY is moving a bit sideways, so when market move, as you can see with the moving averages, NZDJPY is moving sideways, so whenever market moves sideways, I will not trade. Let's move to the USD-CHF. USD-CHF is in between, so it will go anywhere, maybe up at least this level 0.9872, or maybe down. So what I'm looking for the buy USDJPY. So what I'm expecting, this kind of moment, it will come to this level and then I'm gonna buy, and and it will go up. So I'm not gonna do anything with the USD chart for upcoming week. Same with the chef JPY. As I told you in my previous video, is touch 1 hour this support level, we bought it and is start falling down from our this resistance level, so it will come down again of this level or this level. I'm gonna go buy again, so I'm expecting chef JPY to go up at least 112. So right now it's trading on about 110, so I'm expecting CHF JPY to go up for upcoming week. USD CAD, as the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade and we got good amount of pips from USD CAD. We sold it and it's touched one of our key support level. As you can see, this support level, whenever it's touched here, it start going up. So what I'm expecting is already break one of my monthly. What I'm expecting this kind of movement from USD CAD, and then it's gonna down. So for the long term time period, I'm expecting USD CAD to go down. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and before you go guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated for my upcoming video. If you have any type of question, please mention in the comments, so I will love to answer you guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channels. Thank you very much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Goodbye. Good night. Cheers. Bye.